Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is coming out and he's speaking about what he says is people using his disability to judge him and, to talk about him and stuff. And he's saying that, he didn't go to the shop and say, or the supermarket to say, like, he wants to have one side of him being weak or he would like a brain tumor. He didn't go to the shop asking for his sickness. So he's saying that, people shouldn't use his disability to come for him. But guys, you would have to go and catch the video to hear what Dwayne has to say about this and hear who he's referring to. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity. And for all my other lovelies and supporters out there, I say, keep a smile upon your face. Never stop laughing. And remember, if you give someone else that smile as well, it's a bonus. So, guys, have yourselves a wonderful rest of day.
I don't know why. I not even know why I chose to come up with this damn topic. Because I know it's enough. I don't know. You don't know how to sympathize with people. You do not know the meaning of sympathizing or to empathize with nobody but your own family or people you think are better than others. I'm going to tell all of you, none of them who speaks ill of me, none of them who speaks negatively about me are better than me. Shit, none of you are better than me either. Most of them are clean shit. Most of them are clean after safari. Most of them work in a fast food restaurants in foreign. Most of them is nurse assistants. Go and sit your asses down and clean your doodle in peace. Am I provoking you? No. Am I bothering you? No. I don't. But because on a feast, these people are above me, you feel like you can ridicule me. You can't. None of you can't. Not one of you. Hear me and hear me well. None of you can live a day in my shoes. None of you. None. So keep doing your thing. Keep doing your thing. You're all doing amazing. You're doing amazing. You hear me? When he's doing amazing. I swear to God I love. I regret the day I interacted with some of you people. I regret the day I've come in any kind of contact with 3/4 of you people. And this is on the God I love. It's bad to say, but it's the truth. It's bad to say, but it's the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. You people continue to show your real colors. You continue to show yourselves as not good human beings. Sher is going through something right now, Yolanda. I don't know if I'm at liberty to say it, but she's going through something in her family. I don't wish to talk about it. If she ain't told people, let it stay there. Just know she's going through something right now, and she's figuring it out with her family. Let's just put it that way. Yeah. Something bad happened in her family. Not to her, but in her family. She'll be fine. We will all be fine. By God's grace, we will all be fine. I am fine. I've been doing fine. I've been doing fine for the last 7 years or more. I've been doing fine. And none of you little dogs, none of you little shit houses can't tell me nothing about myself. You can't hurt me. You can't hurt my feelings anymore. You can't. That is, to me, that's like water on a duck's back now. I don't understand. You people really are hypocrites. A lot of you planks, a lot of you royals, you know, shame on all of you. Shame on Donegal's followers. Shame on Majesty followers. Bear in mind, all of you share the same followers, which means all of you, 3/4 of you, have the same mindset. Shame on all of you. Shame pan honor. When God, listen, when the we asleep, God a wipe. Enough people drop out from over there. So enough. I am still here and kicking. What does that tell you? I am blessed. I'm blessed and favored. You see, well, I'm a big stroke soon clot to the down. That bit soon clot on the phone. I like watch and see. Don't worry about me. I'm good. I'm amazing. I'm amazing. Nothing you people tell me about myself. It won't make me feel no. Me not feel bad about nothing at all. I don't. People, please share my live stream. I beg on my people and my people them. Please share. Me I try for no customer done. Me I try my best for don't curse. No bad words. Right? I'ma keep it as respectful as I can. Right? I'll do my best. Don't you see? On so whatever I do. On so whatever I do. They're trying so hard to make me look like I'm a bad person. And in doing that too, they're also ridiculing me about things I've had to endure that was out of my own control. Did I go to the supermarket and say, hello, I want to buy a brain tumor today? Did I? Did I go to the store and say, hello, I want to buy right-sided weakness today? No. Did I? On a can't ridicule me. Go ridicule on the family. Understand? Go ridicule your children, your mother, your father, your siblings. Go and ridicule them. I'm none of the above. I don't know none of you. So when you're coming out here and being biased and helping people to ridicule me, it's only speaking volumes of you as a person, speaking volumes of you, your character. Not for the though I've known anyway called no dog when I was dragged up. Not for the moment people that were love, you know. I'm gonna start fucking tormented. Lord God. I'm sorry, Mr. Vanilla Custom, I don't. That's a lot of you so tormented. But you wanna come ridicule me. You can't ridicule me. You can't. I have the right people in my life. My support network, my family. What makes you think I need none of you? What makes any of you think I need any of you? Or what makes any of you think I want your approval or attention? When I see no dog, why would I want attention from dogs? Do I look like I want fleas? Do I look like I want to have nits or fleas? Bear in mind, it's only half my body that functions well. I can't scratch well. I can't scratch well with one hand. So the maximum. Listen, dogs, keep it pushing. I'm not providing no bones over here. So where no bones are provided, no dogs are invited. Don't you see? A lot of you are classless human beings. On a classless. Some of them are black from over here. One in specific, I blocked you from over here, which means I did not like your energy, so I blocked you. Let's see it. On the God I love, nothing on shit house. A lot of you is shit houses. You are. And every day I get up, this notion gets proved to me more and more and more. Every day. I wish I could go back in time. I would have not met 3/4 of you. I would have not even interacted with 3/4 uno. If I had known that someone is still, I would have not interacted with you. That goes for your bosses too. That goes for the people you support too. I would have not interacted with none of them. Because all of them are the same. Birds of a feather flock together. And so does their army. All of you are the same. All of you are the same. Distaste for human beings. A condom could have saved 3/4 of you from coming to work and being the nuisance you are. The toxicity that you are. Una son a dog. Una son a shithouse. Una don't see it. Imagine if I come on page. Una can't have a comment. Ask them say why I can't comment. Because I know sound is a part of it too. The shit pits. All of you are part of it too. 3/4 is a part of it too. Big up my mother, Maureen Daly. Big up to my dad. I call him Megan and Phoebe and Fletcher. Big up my parents. They grew us up with principles, morals, ethics, and values. Not for no wish you had parents like I do. Me telling enough on the parents that I love you know. A lot of your parents didn't love you. A lot of your parents didn't even claim you. A lot of you grew up in single parent household. That's also freaking tormented and toxic. Don't you see? Enough on the parents that don't want to know. Just like on the boss them. On the parents that want them, parents that want them. I'm not gonna go up and stay so. Wanna not see it? Wanna don't see it? Wanna don't have nothing on me. I grew up in a loving household with 2 parents. They were both married too. Yes, shit happened. And they divorced. Okay. That happens to a lot of people. But I grew up in a household with a mom and a dad. And they both shared the same surname. Fletcher. Wanna know about me? What does any of you know about me? What do they know about me? How dare any of you speak on my character? How dare any of you speak on me? Period. You don't know nothing about me. Did I tell any of you to come talk your business? No. But you know, Maria, and some of you, things I told you in private made its way to social media. And oftentimes, a lot of you use it to try and drag me. Una son a dog. Una son a shithouse. Don't you see? I don't know why 3/4 of you come. I swear to God, I don't know why 3/4 of you come my page. Why do you come here? You don't like me. You do not like me. You choose to not interact with me. Why do you come? Make that make sense to me. Make it make sense. Why go to someone's page that you don't comment? You don't do nothing. You just go and just sit there. What's the point? What's the point? Help me to understand what is the point. What do you gain out of pulling up on someone's page that you don't like? What exactly you gain from them? Are you learning anything educational? Are they giving any what one again? Not on the public page right now. What exactly are you gaining over here by coming over here and sitting there like statues? What are you gaining? I don't know. That's why I'm asking the question. What are you gaining? What is what benefits are you gaining from over here? Nothing. So what's the point? What's the point? Are you guys coming in to provoke me? Or not again? They won't. They're fools. A lot of you will. You see, with time to come, a lot of you's gonna regret treating me the way you treat me. A lot of you. I know how all of you know how this started, right? This started by me trying to help people. You know this, right? It started by me trying to help people. Oh, and grabbing a feel of the mix-up from their page to post over here. That's how it started. Wanna see it? Tell me something I did to these people, apart from cuss them when they frigged with me. What else have I done to them? Nothing. What have they done to me? What have they done to me that warranted three quarters of the things I did or continue to do? What have they done to me? Why I do three quarters, if not all of the things I do back to them. Every action warrants a reaction. Unless in another sense. But every action warrants a reaction. And because you guys feel these people are more than me or better than me, you continue wanna hold these things against me. Just come off my page. Come off. Come off my damn page. Get off my page. You don't like me. Get off my page. You know, I swear I'm gonna stop showing my face on this page. I'm gonna stop showing my face on this page because a lot of you don't deserve to see me in any way, shape, or form. You don't deserve to see me. You don't. Imagine only one person shared my life. What does that tell you? Only it's evil. Only it's evil. Only it's evil. Only it's evil. And continue to show yourselves. You continue to show your face day in, day out. And in that same breath, you all want to make me out to be this bad human being. When the real bad human beings are the people that you support. They are the bad human beings. They are the ones who drag people's children with disabilities. They're the ones who's ridiculing people's children with illnesses. They are the one who does these things, not me. And you know the funny thing? A lot of you have children. Or perhaps family members who's going through really bad things in their lives right now. But yet, because it's not you or your family, you think it is okay. And I know damn well, I know for a fact, not for you people out here, not for you on social media to date, know someone, whether in your immediate family or your own children, is going through something detrimental in their lives. You know? But because the one who's been dragged or ridiculed for these things out here is not someone who's close to you, you turn a blind eye and you help them to drag people. Shame on you people. And then all of you claim to be Christians. 3/4 of you claim to be Christian. It's people like you why I stopped going to church. People like, oh no, I'm a stuck God church. I've got them heart, and that's what matters.